In the ever-evolving landscape of military aviation, the race for sixth-generation fighter jet dominance has taken center stage, featuring a fierce competition among global superpowers such as the United States, China, and Russia. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, these nations are vying to establish their supremacy in the skies through cutting-edge aircraft designs and capabilities that transcend those of their predecessors. China, in particular, has emerged as a formidable contender, rapidly closing the technological gap with the United States and challenging its long-standing position as a military aviation leader. With a series of ambitious projects aimed at bolstering its defense capabilities, China's focus on modern military technology has sent shockwaves through the international community. Of particular note is China's enigmatic development of hypersonic aircraft. Shrouded in secrecy and generating a sense of anticipation and excitement worldwide. At the forefront of China's technological surge is its top-secret hypersonic aircraft, a testament to the nation's determination to lead in the next generation of aerial warfare, capable of reaching staggering speeds of Mach 10, or 10 times the speed of sound. This advanced aircraft poses an unprecedented challenge to existing air defense systems. The ability to deliver swift and precise strikes at such velocities could potentially revolutionize the dynamics of modern warfare, reshaping strategies and tactics on a global scale. Propellers to stealth. The significance of air superiority was first realized during World War II, when dogfights and aerial combat played a pivotal role in determining the outcome of battles. This era marked the birth of fighter jets, which were primarily powered by propellers and armed with machine guns and cannons. Notable examples include the iconic P-51 Mustang and the legendary Messerschmitt Buff 109. The lessons learned from these early aircraft laid the foundation for the development of more advanced fighter jets in the decades to come. The Cold War era ushered in a new chapter in the evolution of fighter jets. The arms race between superpowers intensified the need for advanced military technology, leading to the creation of sleek and agile aircraft equipped with jet engines. The introduction of fly-by-wire technology allowed for greater control and maneuverability, while advancements in radar and missile technology enhanced targeting and engagement capabilities. The Cold War also marked the inception of stealth technology, which aimed to reduce an aircraft's visibility to enemy radars. This culminated in iconic aircraft like the F-117 Nighthawk, whose angular design and radar-absorbent materials represented a leap forward in stealth capabilities. The turn of the 21st century saw the introduction of fifth-generation fighter jets, heralding a new era of air combat. The F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning I, for instance, combined state-of-the-art avionics, stealth features, and sensor fusion to provide unparalleled situational awareness and information superiority. These aircraft demonstrated the integration of cutting-edge technology, enabling pilots to share and process information seamlessly and make split-second decisions. As the world continues to advance in areas like artificial intelligence and hypersonic technology, the evolution of fighter jets remains an ongoing journey, promising even more astonishing developments in the years to come. China's sixth-generation fighter. China's announcement of its sixth-generation stealth fighter has ignited both excitement and anticipation, signaling a significant leap forward in the nation's ambitions to establish air superiority. The Unveiling represents a culmination of years of research, development, and technological innovation, underscoring China's commitment to modernizing its military capabilities. As the global defense landscape evolves, China's investment in next-generation aircraft serves as a clear indication of its desire to assert its influence on the world stage. One of the striking features accompanying China's announcement is the release of detailed CGI concept art, showcasing the potential capabilities of its hypothetical sixth-generation fighter. These visuals provide a glimpse into the nation's vision for the future of aerial combat, highlighting advancements in stealth, maneuverability, and hypersonic technology. With an emphasis on reducing radar cross-section, evading enemy detection, and maximizing agility, China's fighter program is positioned to redefine the rules of engagement in modern air warfare. At the core of China's sixth-generation fighter ambitions lies a focus on three critical factors: stealth, maneuverability, and hypersonic technology. By addressing these aspects, China aims to establish itself at the forefront of the race for aerial dominance. Stealth technology allows the aircraft to operate with reduced visibility, granting it a significant advantage in evading enemy radar systems. Maneuverability enables the aircraft to outmaneuver adversaries and control engagements effectively. Additionally, the integration of hypersonic technology enhances the aircraft's speed and precision, enabling rapid response and unmatched strike capabilities. Pushing boundaries. Stealth and maneuverability have become linchpins in the design of sixth-generation fighters, and China has made substantial strides in these areas. Employing state-of-the-art materials and engineering techniques, China's investment in stealth technology has enabled its aircraft to reduce radar cross-section and operate with minimal detection. This strategic emphasis on evading enemy radar systems grants the fighter a considerable tactical edge by maximizing its surprise element and minimizing vulnerability. One of China's remarkable achievements in the race for sixth-generation dominance lies in its focus on hypersonic wind tunnel technology. The ability to test and simulate aircraft performance at hypersonic speeds is critical in realizing the potential of hypersonic flight capabilities. China's expertise in this area offers a competitive advantage, allowing it to refine the aircraft's design and performance to unprecedented levels. Hypersonic flight not only promises blistering speeds but also the potential to transform the dynamics of air combat by enabling rapid and decisive engagements. Integral to the formidable capabilities of China's sixth-generation fighter is its advanced radio-electronic equipment, computer systems, and artificial intelligence. These components synergize to optimize speed, maneuverability, and combat prowess. AI algorithms facilitate real-time data analysis and decision-making, enabling pilots to make split-second choices in complex scenarios. Furthermore, advanced electronic systems enhance communication, navigation, and situational awareness, while bolstering the aircraft's resilience against electronic warfare threats. Navigating the path ahead. The advent of sixth-generation fighters has the potential to reshape the geopolitical landscape, shifting the balance of power among nations. The integration of cutting-edge technologies, such as hypersonic flight and advanced AI systems, could alter the dynamics of warfare and defense strategies worldwide. As nations strive to adapt to these new capabilities, existing alliances and strategic partnerships might undergo significant transformations. The emergence of these fighters underscores the importance of continuous assessment and adaptation to maintain geopolitical stability. One of the most significant challenges posed by sixth-generation fighters is the enhancement of stealth capabilities. While these advancements offer a substantial advantage in evading enemy detection, they simultaneously challenge existing radar systems and defense infrastructure. Countries must invest in upgrading their radar and tracking technologies to effectively counter the stealthy threats posed by these fighters. This arms race between offensive and defensive technologies adds another layer of complexity to the evolving nature of modern warfare. The integration of artificial intelligence in sixth-generation fighters introduces ethical and accountability concerns in military operations. AI-driven decisions in combat scenarios raise questions about human oversight, transparency, and the potential for unintended consequences. Striking the right balance between harnessing AI's capabilities and upholding ethical standards is a critical challenge that must be addressed to ensure responsible use of these technologies in the context of warfare. Beyond the strategic and ethical considerations, the development and deployment of high-speed sixth-generation fighters also raise environmental concerns. These aircraft, designed for exceptional speed and agility, often come with higher emissions and fuel consumption rates. As environmental awareness grows globally, reconciling the need for advanced military capabilities with the imperative of sustainable practices becomes paramount. To navigate these multifaceted challenges, collaboration and innovation are essential. International cooperation can facilitate the development of regulations and guidelines to address the environmental impact of advanced aircraft and the ethical application of AI in warfare. Moreover, interdisciplinary efforts can foster the creation of technologies that balance military superiority with ethical considerations and environmental responsibility.